If you have some old zinc sheets lying around, don't be too quick to throw them away. Even something this rusty and forgotten can still be useful. With just a bit of effort, we can turn it into something completely new. You might be surprised by what it becomes. Now let's start by measuring the zinc sheet. We need a piece that's about 20 centimeters wide. Use a ruler or measuring tape to mark it clearly. This will be the base size for the mold we're going to build. Make sure the line is straight for an even cut later. Once it's marked, we can start cutting the zinc sheet. Use tin snips or metal scissors for a clean cut. Cut slowly along the line to keep the edge straight. Be careful with your hands, zinc can be sharp. Now take the zinc strip and slowly bend it into a circle. Try to keep the shape even all around. Once it forms a ring, use masking tape or any strong tape to hold the ends together. Make sure it's tight so the mold won't shift when we pour the cement. Now check the shape of the ring. If it's not a perfect circle yet, adjust it by gently pressing or bending the edges. Take your time to smooth it out. The more even the shape, the better the final result will be. Now make a smaller ring from another zinc strip. Shape it just like before, then tape the ends together. We'll need this part later. Now we need a flat base. Use any board or surface that's strong and level. Place the large ring right on top. Place the larger ring on the base first. Then take the smaller one and set it right in the center. Make sure both are standing firmly. Now let's prepare the cement mix. I'm mixing it directly on the floor, without using any container. Start by pouring the cement and sand right onto the surface. Mix them dry until well combined. Then slowly add water and keep mixing by hand or with a small tool. Make sure the texture is thick and smooth, ready for use. Once the mix is ready, start placing it into the mold. Use your hand or a small tool to press the cement down evenly. Fill the space between the two rings slowly, little by little. Make sure there are no gaps or air pockets.